Hello lovelies, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Chelsea. So today I will be revealing this upartwig from Beauty Forever. By the way, this video is sponsored by Beauty Forever. So if you want to see how I installed this look, the unboxing of everything about the hair, keep on watching. I'm going to leave all the details about the hair on the description box, so you check that out. If there's any discount code as well, I'm going to leave it on the description box, but I am not sure. But if there is any, I'm going to leave it on the description box. Just before you go, support your girl by clicking on that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, join the gorgeous family. Don't forget to hit on that bell icon so that you don't miss any video from me. So without wasting time, let's head to the review of this hair and the unboxing of this hair. Beauty Forever upartwig human hair, half wigs body wave hair. Came with some straps as a gift, a wig cap, and this is the wig. The wig is 18 inches, 150 density, natural color. See how bouncing the hair is.
Promises, honestly, no big deal. As long as you can show me a good time, I don't care.
Elastic in the front, that is the upartwig, and strap combs. It has 4 strap combs, 3 at the front, 2 by the side, 1 at the middle, and 1 at the back.
The rings and the fanciest things couldn't make me believe in love. I'm here for pleasure, so don't you.
It has an adjustable straps. The hair is so soft, no shedding, no smell, and the hair is very soft and bouncing. To be frank with you all, I absolutely love this hair.
No ties, no price.
The hair is of good quality and has good texture. You can see after cutting it, the U part is like this. So let's install this wig.
I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal. As long as you can show me a good time, I don't care.
First thing, I'm going to part my hair in a U-part form. One thing I like about this U-part wig is something you can do very easily. Even if you are in a hurry to go for a party or anything, you can just do it within 2-3 minutes. You are done. You see, I don't even need to comb my hair before doing this. You see, I just part my hair and pop out those pins. Then I started from the back, just clip it down. And you position it in your party like what I'm doing. You can see what I want to do. You pop out your clips, then you clip them down by the side, the middle. I started from the one of the back, then the middle, then the 2 sides. You just clip it down, make sure it's well clipped down.
I thought of you as a friend who can't let go, but when you left I could feel it grow like a body.
You see, it's done. That is all you need to. Then you arrange your wig very well, position it the way you want. When it's okay, then you comb your hair just to cover it, cover the wig. I just part in my hair, then comb my hair on top. You can see some pins. I pin it down just to flatten my wig the more. I'm sorry that I didn't show that part.
I see the door you closed is open wide.
But I will remove them. I've removed them now. Then I just have to straighten my hair so that my hair can blend very well with the wig. I like this deep wave wig because it's so bouncing, so soft, very, very soft. And I like that there is no smell, because there are some wigs, their smell is horrible, no smell to it, and it doesn't shed. So I added got2b hairspray just to flatten my hair the more, and I added some mousse to it. Comb it, then you just have to comb your hair, and that is it. So that is it about this hair. I must tell you that this hair is very, very good. The quality is top, the quality is so good, and I like it. No smell, it doesn't tangle, it doesn't shed.
Some things change, are lost and found or gone forever, but this is what you want to.
I brought out little baby hairs. I slay my baby hairs. This is optional. If you like, you can do this.
Let go the edges of my soul, my soul. It's getting harder. It was never under my control.
So after slaying my baby hairs, I just tied it down a little so that the hair can flat, because I like it when my hair is very flat. My front hair is very flat, so that is why I tied it down for some time. Then I was not dancing.
Yeah, 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 yeah. And they say, oh, promesas son nada más que solo palabras, y si no las cumples se van a desvanecer.
Then after some time, I loosed my hair tie from it. You can see the way I'm touching the hair. The hair is very, very, very soft. And voila, I just brushed everything, and tell me, girl, see how your hair is looking stunning. See, just like my natural hair. You think it's my hair. There's no wig attached to my hair, but there is wig. There is this upartwig attached to my hair. See the hair. See how soft the hair is looking, bouncing. The quality is just top. The quality is bomb. The length, like I said, is 18 inches. The one I'm wearing right now is 18 inches. I did not end there. I went ahead to wet my hair. I just added mousse to define the waves more. And see, just look at those waves after adding my mousse. Just look at it. Look at how bouncy those waves are. Your hair is feeling so extra. So I went and applied a dye onto it. This dye is not a permanent dye, it's from L'Oreal. After some time you wash it, it will go up. So I added blue and purple color just to change the look of the hair, and everything was amazing. This hair is human hair 100%. It doesn't shed, no smell, no tangle. It's really, really, really good. So you can check their website out and get this hair, and it's very, very fast to install. So I'm going to leave all the details about their website, where you can get it, the link to this hair, all the information you need to know about this hair will be on the description box. So if you're interested, check that out, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you once again, BeautyForeverHair, for sponsoring this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Love you guys as always. Bye. Bye bye.
Estrés, muéstrame sus pasos, te cuento hasta 10 y ven. Yo sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres que brinda la vida y que nos hace tan felices.
All right, guys.